Hello, teachers. Good evening. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint as quick as 5 minutes only. Sobrang makakatulong ito para sa atin kasi marami tayong ginagawa. We need to make use of the new tools na meron tayo. Kailangan ma-master natin. Alam natin kung paano gamitin ang mga ito. So, we're going to use two tools. Gagamitin natin una ay yung ChatGPT and then the second one will be the Manus AI. So, sa ChatGPT, we're going to prompt ano yung mga content na ilalagay natin for the PowerPoint presentation and then copy paste this one, i-paste natin doon sa Manus AI to generate the PowerPoint presentation. Simulan na natin. Okay. So first one, we go to ChatGPT. Let's say we are going to make a PowerPoint presentation for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So let's just say, para mas mabilis itong demonstration natin, let's just say, create me slides of this topic, just 12 slides. Okay, there you go. We already have the content. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito, we are going to copy, paste this one. Let's just copy it here. Doon para mas mabilis. Ayan. And then we go to another tab. Let's have Manus AI. Let's click the link. Okay, by the way, Manus AI, meron tayong free 300 credits. I think that is per day. Okay, pero kapag naubos na natin yung 300 credits na yan, kailangan na nating mag-subscribe sa kanila. Pero I think that will last for a day, yung 300 credits. You could make, I think, 3 PowerPoints already para dyan. Okay, let's paste yung content natin. Check lang natin siya. Of course, in making your PowerPoint, tingnan nyo din yung prompt ninyo, especially in making the content. And i-check ninyo yung content na ginawa ni ChatGPT. Kapag na-paste na natin to dito, and then we're going to click the create slides, automatic na yan, gagawin ni Manus yung slides natin. Ayan. So dito, pipili tayo kung ano yung gusto nating style for the slides natin. So for me, gusto ko ito. It's just simple. Tapos, next will be, click lang natin. And then we're going to wait for it. Alright, just waiting. And itong slides na ito, you could just download it and then you can edit kung gusto niyo magdagdag ng content or ng mga activities, you could do that one. Malapit na. Malapit na yan. Depende din kasi ito sa bilis ng ating internet connection. Kung mas mabilis yung internet connection natin, mas mabilis yung generation ni Manus AI. Okay, task completed. And so tapos na wala pang 5 minutes yon, just 3 minutes lang. Pero tapos na yung ating PowerPoint presentation. Kailangan lang natin siya i-download. Just go here. And makikita natin kung paano niya ginawa. Ayan. So, meron na siyang mga images. Kompleto na yan. So, depends doon sa gusto niyong ituro sa mga bata. You can edit this one. Just need to download it here as PPT. Alright. So, okay na siya. Pwede siyang i-edit yan. Ay, naku, wala akong subscription kay Microsoft. Pero okay na yung slides natin. Ilalagay ko kung ano yung itsura ng slide doon sa comment section natin para makita niyo siya. And you could also download it if you want. Alright, so that's all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video for all the teachers that you know. I know this will be helpful also for them. Bye-bye.